क्या? Example first, note down everyone. Example first. Yes, example first, note down everyone. I suffered a loss of rupees 300. I suffered a loss of rupees 300 by selling my pen for 1200 rupees, full stop. How much did I buy it for? In this question, he has given very clearly, I suffered a loss of 300 rupees. Means in this question, firstly, he has given loss. Loss is equal to 300. By selling my pen for 1200 rupees, selling means SP. Selling price he has given, we want to find out cost price. What is the main formula? Profit is equal to SP minus CP. But in the question, he has given loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. But we want to find out CP. CP is equal to SP plus profit. Note down. Solution. Loss is equal to rupees 300. SP is equal to, SP means selling price. Don't say superintendent of police. SP means selling price. SP is equal to 1200 rupees. CP is equal to question mark. Now we know formula. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. This is the main formula, students. In this main formula, we can write two more formula. First formula, CP is equal to, SP will transpose right left side, SP plus loss. CP is equal to SP plus loss. Next, SP is equal to CP minus loss. This is the main formula. Based on that, we are getting two more formula. Like that in profit also we will get three formula. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. But when we are getting loss, then CP is equal to SP plus profit. When we are getting loss, then SP is equal to CP minus loss. Now find out CP. CP is equal to SP plus loss. Because we want to find out CP when loss is occurring. And we will write here CP is equal to SP plus loss. SP is what? 1200 rupees. Loss is rupees 300. 1200, 1200 plus 300, 1500 rupees is the cost price. Hence, I bought my pen at 1500 rupees. Hence, I bought Sanjana Reddy. Buy, bought, this is spelling. I bought my pen at rupees 1500. Example second. Example second. Yes. What should be the selling price? What should be the selling price what should be the selling price? Means what is asking here? Yes, P is asking. What should be the selling price of my book to earn a profit? To earn a profit of rupees 50. If the cost price is if the cost price is rupees 340, very interesting question. What he is given in the question. What should be the selling price of my book to earn a profit of rupees 50 if the cost price is 340 rupees? CP is equal to rupees 340, profit is equal to rupees 50, and what is the main formula? Profit is equal to, here I want to find out SP. What is the main formula? Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. This is the main formula. In this main formula, we want to make two more formula. What is first formula? SP is equal to CP plus profit. SP is equal to CP plus profit. Student, don't confuse. In the loss also we have learned SPCP, but on that condition that was the loss. Here we are learning what? Profit. SP is equal to CP plus profit. Next, CP is equal to SP minus profit. Total we have learned how many formulas? 6 formula. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP is equal to CP plus profit. CP is equal to SP minus profit. Now, which formula we want to apply here? Second formula. SP is equal to CP plus profit. Note down. SP is equal to CP plus profit. SP means selling price is equal to CP plus profit. Cost price is 300 rupees 40. 340 rupees. Profit is what? Rupees 50. What is answer? SP is equal to 40 plus 50. 390. Hence, selling price of a book is 390 rupees. Hence, selling price of book is rupees 390. Yeah. Next, example 3. Note down example 3, everyone. Ria buys balloons for Ria buys balloons for rupees 350 and sells them For rupees 360, find profit or loss. Profit or loss, student? Profit or loss? How much? How much? 10 rupees. Right. Note down, everyone. Solution. CP is equal to rupees 350. SP is equal to rupees 360. Here SP is greater than CP, means we want to find out profit. Now profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, SP minus CP. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP is what, 360, and CP is 350, is equal to rupees 10. Hence, her profit is 10 rupees. Now students, I am going to explain about how to calculate profit percentage and loss percentage. Keep heading. Profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100. Next, this is the main formula. Next, loss percentage. Loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. Loss by CP into 100. Loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. Yeah, there are 4 IIT formula is there, but formula is very, very important formula. Note down everyone. Keep first star point. SP is equal to 100 plus profit percentage by 100 SP is equal to 100 plus profit percentage by 100 into CP. One more formula is there in this star point. CP is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage. This is the IIT formula, students. Note down. First star point completed. Second star point. SP is equal to 100 minus loss percentage by 100 into CP. Next, this is the main formula. CP is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage. SP into 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage. When profit percentage is there, how to find CP and SP? When loss percentage is there, how to find SP and CP? Very easy concept. SP formula is very easy. SP is equal to 100 plus profit percentage by 100 into CP. SP is equal to 100 minus loss percentage by 100 into CP. Note down this formula very clearly, everyone. Note down clearly this formula, everyone. I am recapping all formula in this chapter. First formula I explained. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. First formula. In this first formula, we are getting how many formula? Two more formula. SP is equal to CP plus profit. CP is equal to SP minus profit. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Again, in this, with the help of this formula, we are getting how many formula? Two more formula. After that, I explain profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100. Loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. After that, I have given 4 IIT formula. First formula, SP is equal to 100 plus profit percentage by 100 into CP. CP is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage. Next, when we are getting loss percentage, then SP is equal to 100 minus loss percentage by 100 into CP. CP is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage. Up to now, this formula I have explained. And tomorrow I will ask this all formulas. Okay, note down example first. Example first. Example first. Find the profit percentage. Find the profit percentage find the profit percentage if SP is equal to 200 rupees and CP is equal to 100 rupees. Start solving, everyone. Firstly, he has given CP is equal to rupees 100, SP is equal to rupees 200. SP is greater than CP here, means we want to find out profit. After that, we want to find out profit percentage. Now, profit is equal to SP minus CP. Selling price is 200 rupees and cost price is 100 rupees is equal to rupees 100. Listen carefully, students. If you want to find out profit percentage, before that you want to find out profit. If you want to find out loss percentage, before that you want to find out loss. Now profit has come 100 rupees. Now I want to find out profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100. Profit by CP into 100. Profit by CP into 100. How much we are getting profit here? We got how much profit? 100 rupees profit. 100 by what is cost price? 100 into 100. We got 100% profit. Hence, the profit percentage is 100%. Now, students, anyone can tell me in which case we can get 100% profit? Anyone student tell me real time examples?